Hey, welcome back to the Whiskey Pete Project. As you can see, we got the cab up so we can get the engine sitting in here. I'm not optimistic enough to think it's going to stay in here, but we're going to set it down in, see how close our mounts are, and what other stuff we need to move and change. We do have a pile of wires and hoses that we don't even know where they go just yet, so a lot of things will be getting changed or removed if we don't need them. But we're just at the beginning stages here, setting it in. So we're going to try with the forklift. If that doesn't work, we'll use our wrecker boom. Hopefully we can reach over, but it is nice with the cab up, pretty open when you can tilt one all the way over, so that's pretty cool. All right, Deegan, or somebody, run the forklift. Let's get it in here. Let's see how close we are. Let's go in a little bit. Let's go up. Okay. About that far. Can you tilt it back a little bit? We're 6-8 inches.
Gosh, it kind of don't look like these are going to fit inside the frame around.
Well, we might have to pull them off to get it down in there. It's just tilted wrong too. It needs to be up in the air in the front. How close are we back there?
This way?
Yeah, well, if I've got to come forward 6 or 8 inches, are we going to be off back there?
It's got to come forward 3 or 4, probably.
So it might fit.
Yeah.
So.
Will you narrate what we're doing?
Oh. Yeah, since we don't have all the equipment we need, we're going to move the truck rather than the forklift. Right there. Let's go down a little more, Deegan. There, now at least we're on these rubbers up here.
we're touching them over there?
Yeah.
I think it'll fit.
Okay, come down some more. Keep coming. Oh.
No, just barely on the starter bolt.
We wouldn't be if it was up in the front more. Are you touching anything there?
Almost. It's like grab our go forward a little bit.
Okay, go down. Keep coming. Okay, I think it just went forward now. Looks like we're off on the front.
Front's too far forward.
So we're gonna be just right, probably.
Now we gotta decide if those mounts are on the wrong sides because Lucas's lines up and yours doesn't quite.
This one, like one of them lines up and the other
This
one's-
looks crooked though. The motor looks crooked.
Pretty dang close though.
Let's go down some more. Okay. Yeah, these are off by a long ways. You're lined up.
They're pretty off now. Mounts is too
Got to go back.
This front one's got to go back.
Back about that far.
It's right on the edge of the rubbers. The hole is so. Yeah, probably.
We got to go about 2 inches back, and these would line up.
The hole's probably right here.
That's pretty close.
So it's.
Well, it fits better than I thought it would, but it needs to fit perfectly, so we're gonna have to do some finagling. We need to just get some weight on it, just a little bit, and maneuver it with a bar and try and slide it back so we can get a couple bolts. They don't have to be the right bolts, but to drop in those back holes.
Yeah.
First glimpse of it sitting there though.
Take a little pressure off. Problem is the pit's messing us up because we need to stand right there so we can. You might have to climb up in there because the pit's kind of screwing us up. Getting closer. All right, so we are going to put some bolts in the front. This is temporary. It's not even got the new mounts in it. We're just going to put them in to hold it. We may have the mounts backwards on the back, and if we do, then I guess that's my fault, but I read right and left. So I guess it depends on which right and left, but they don't fit up very good. So we're going to see if maybe we got them on there goofy or something. We get one hole lining up, but not the other hole. So
I think it just needs to be split.
you probably just need to be flipped over, right?
Yeah.
Problem is I put them that way because the other Peterbilt we had in here that had those same mounts on it, that's how they were on.
They were pitch back?
No, they were. The gusset was on the top.
Oh.
The bottom's smooth and flat, but this one's got this gusset here. But I'm gonna guess that it needs to go.
I think one of them needs to flip. Because one has a flat edge on the back, the other one has the angle. And I feel like they need to be the same, but I don't know.
Well,
Let's lift up on the back and move it around and see.
problem is we're gonna have to get them bolts out, which is gonna be sucky in there.
Go put a gun on it for zip time up.
Not those bottom ones. Guess we can pick up the back, and I don't know what it's going to gain us, but that's definitely a ski wampus looking though. This one doesn't look half bad over here. You know, if we flipped them over, it would be taller because the distance here to here and here to here. So maybe that's what we need to do. I just can't help but think this piece is going to hit that.
Yeah.
And we're also,
I think it'd be close.
I think we're also going to a truck that wasn't meant to be in, right? So, they're tight.
I haven't been filming until now.
Huh?
I wasn't filming any of that.
Oh. Yeah, that's gonna make it.
I don't think that'll work. So they gotta switch sides.
Oh, let's pull that off. What does the sticker say on it? I painted over it, probably. Well, one had an R and one had an L, so I went RL.
Has an L?
That has an L? I went by the sticker. I didn't look at that. Or maybe they sent us two of the same mount. So now we need to pull this one off and swap them, I guess.
All right, Lucas is swapping these motor mounts around that we think we might have got backwards, and Deegee's just watching him work because that's what Deegie does. What do you have to say about that?
About what?
Watching him work.
Well, that's all I ever do. I just sit around and watch everybody work. It's the only thing I'm good at. Else I just break it.
He's not wrong there. Lucas, don't fall in the pit. Hopefully they are just backwards. This is fitting pretty good compared to what I anticipated. Sounds like Lucas might be showing some of his plumber skills on his back end there, so that's cool. All right, we interrupt Lucas working to advertise. If you didn't know, we're doing a giveaway. This is a Whiskey Pete shirt that is on the giveaway website. We're giving away $10,000 in cash or a free overhaul if you happen to be a trucker that needs an engine overhauled. Either way, you could win this by entering in the description. The link is in the description below. Go get you some sweet merch. There's a lot more than just this Whiskey Pete shirt, but since we happen to be working on the Whiskey Pete, there you go. So the like I said, the link is in the description below. Go on there, get you some merch, and get entered to win.
And just think, even if you don't win, you still get a sick shirt. So you win either way.
That's a very good point. It's a win-win when you get some sick merch like that. So go get entered to win. Again, the link is in the description on our Shopify. Thank you. Back to the regularly scheduled Lucas working. Super excited to get this thing on the road eventually. Get this stuff polished up. Get our fenders on there. Obviously, everything driving and stuff. But seeing a motor in there, even though it's coming right back out to finish a few things, gives a little bit of hope to what we got going on. So, very exciting. We're still trying to decide how to do our back mud flap lighting situation. A little tough with this suspension and the aluminum frame and stuff. Just got to come up with something a little bit different. But all in all, it should be doable, and I'm very excited. So we appreciate you guys hanging on with us, and even when it goes a couple weeks without a video, it's just time and money is all it takes to get these projects done, so we're getting after it. Alright, latest development. It doesn't look like swapping them really did us any favors. We're gonna put a couple bolts in and see. Kind of thinking we might have two of the same ones and they're supposed to be a left and a right, who knows. So we'll put a couple bolts in, set it down, and just see, but looks like it's not going to get solved right this second.
Yeah.
Alright, so to wrap this up, motor's in there, looks kind of cool. Definitely got to come back out. We got way too much of a angle here to the back is facing down, and these rear mounts aren't lining up, which is partly to be expected, honestly, because this truck didn't come with this engine and vice versa. So just going to be some custom work to be done to get these to line up. They're close, but like that hole lines up there, but the other one doesn't. I don't know if you can see that. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but in the meantime, we'll be thinking about it and come back at you next week with an idea. But that's your latest on the Whiskey Pete project. Thanks for watching.